Jim.
Heather.
Travis.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for being here tonight on this special occasion. My name is Elizabeth Bonaminio, and tonight we are here to celebrate you. So, in honor of that, I'd like to make a toast. First, I'd like to thank the ones who've been with me through thick and thin. Thank you. Thank you for your constant love, support, and kindness. Now, to my parents and my greatest influences, thank you for showing me what it means to put others before yourselves. You've picked me up when I've fallen, made me smile on the darkest of days, and have been a shoulder for me to cry on. I could not have made it this far without you. Thank you. Now, to my dear friends who've stuck with me since kindergarten, I wish you nothing but success and happiness through this journey that we call life. May you prosper through every challenge that may come your way and always keep moving forward. Now, if you will join me and raise your glass in a toast to you all, family and friends. Please raise your glass. Here's to you all. I wish you nothing but a lifetime of success, happiness, and plentiful blessings. Thank you all for being here tonight. Let us toast.